Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. A classic French country house, made modern with navy and white toile. You know that feeling when you see a design that just feels perfectly timeless, yet totally fresh? That's the magic of a classic French country house, especially when you anchor it with one of the most enduring patterns ever created, Toile de Jouy. Imagine the rustic stone, the worn wooden beams, and the sun-drenched plaster walls you've always loved. Now picture them as the serene canvas for a crisp, navy-on-white toile wallpaper. It's a look that whispers history rather than shouting it, blending rustic charm with graphic sophistication. This isn't about creating a museum or a theme park. It's about building a layered, lived-in home that tells a story. So let's walk through this dream house together, room by room, and see how this beautiful pattern can bring it all to life. The charm starts before you even step inside. Picture a soft, cream-colored stone facade with a sloping slate roof and dark green shutters flanking the windows. Climbing ivy and a riot of lavender and rosemary frame the front door, which might be painted a faded sun-bleached blue. Out back, a rustic gravel terrace leads to loose, romantic flower beds. The navy and white toile motif appears subtly here in outdoor cushions on wrought iron furniture, or the fabric of a sun-faded market umbrella. It ties the cultivated pastoral scenes on the wallpaper to the very real blooming garden just outside the window. Opening that front door, you're greeted not by grandeur but by warmth. The walls here are dressed in our star player, the navy toile on a bright white ground. It immediately sets the tone, offering a narrative of romantic landscapes or pastoral scenes. The floor is likely wide plank oak, worn smooth by time with a simple, durable sisal runner. Furniture is kept minimal, perhaps just a centuries-old oak console table with a burled wood top. Above it, a gilded sunburst mirror reflects the light and the pattern. This is where the home truly breathes. The toile wallpaper might cover one accent wall, perhaps behind a rustic stone fireplace, while the others are painted a matching warm white. Deep, comfortable seating in linen or cotton, think a plush sofa and cream and armchairs in a soft, solid navy, invites you to sink in. Old wooden beams cross the ceiling, and a time-worn Persian rug in faded reds and blues adds a layer of cozy pattern mixing. Throw pillows in checks, stripes, and more toile, tie it all together. The vibe is collected, not decorated, with stacks of books and a bowl of gathered hydrangeas on the coffee table. The bedroom is a serene retreat. Here, the toile wallpaper feels like drifting off into a peaceful storybook countryside. It pairs beautifully with a wrought iron or dark wood bed frame, piled high with crisp white linens and a chunky textural knit throw. Curtains could be a simple, gauzy white to let the light stream in, or a heavy linen and navy for cozy nights. Avoid matching sets. A vintage floral quilt at the foot of the bed adds personality. Nightstands are simple wooden stools or small tables, holding just a book and a vase of fresh garden clippings. For the dining room, think of a space made for long, laughter-filled meals. The toile walls create an immersive, almost garden room feel. The table is a substantial, reclaimed oak trestle table, surrounded by a mix of ladderback and upholstered chairs, all in complementary neutrals or navy fabrics. Overhead, a simple iron chandelier with candle-style bulbs casts a soft glow. Displays are kept to open shelving with white pottery or a large, weathered armoire for storage. The key is to let the pattern be the art, keeping everything else grounded and functional. French country kitchens are all about rustic practicality, and toile fits right in. You might use it as a backsplash behind the farmhouse sink, or on the walls of a cozy breakfast nook. Cabinetry is likely painted a creamy white or a gentle gray, with classic unlacquered brass hardware. Counters are honed marble or thick wood worn from use. Open shelves display beautiful, everyday dishes, white plates, blue and white striped bowls, and copper pots. A basket of ripe tomatoes or a wire baguette basket on the counter adds that essential touch of vie quotidienne, daily life. Finally, the bathroom gets a dose of elegance. Using the toile here, especially in a smaller powder room or on the wall behind a clawfoot tub, is a gorgeous surprise. Pair it with clean white wainscoting or beadboard for a classic touch. Fixtures are traditional cross-handle taps, a porcelain pedestal sink, and a simple frameless mirror. Towels are thick and white, maybe with a navy stripe for cohesion. A single piece of antique furniture, like a small wooden ladder for towels, keeps it feeling unique and personal, not like a showroom.